Hey everybody, welcome to Bura. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about why my company made a Kickstarter to help you make as much money in 2021 as possible. Alright, before we start this video, I want to make sure you like and subscribe. The more likes and subscribers we get, the more content we can make. So, 2021 is so far an interesting year with the vaccine rollout going quite well and the possibility of things returning back to normal. Things are going to be very interesting for sure. But the question that you have to ask yourself is, how can you be the best you can be in 2021? And one of the reasons I founded Mammoth Interactive was to help people do this. So if you don't know, before I started the e-learning component of Mammoth Interactive, we made video games, and I made an Xbox 360 game and a ton of iPhone games. And one day I decided to talk about my games to people, and everyone said basically, how do I make games? So I started an e-learning company, and this e-learning company has grown in year after year, and it's all because I listened to what people actually wanted. People wanted to learn how to make iPhone games versus actually play the iPhone games that I have made. So over the years, we've decided to figure out how people are making money and then show people how to make practical projects to make money, either by getting a job or by starting a business all by themselves. So this next Kickstarter is absolutely amazing, and one of the reasons why I'm so proud of this is that we found out how people are making a lot of money, and we've devised a plan for you to follow to help make you money as well. And so if you've been a fan of me and a fan of this channel, you need different streams of income to actually help you grow. So one of the things that's absolutely crucial for you to make money is to actually have a job. And this might seem counterintuitive from a lot of the advice that you hear. You can't just make passive income all the time. And even if you do make passive income, you do have to put in a little bit of work. But you do need a job that pays a lot. And one of the best things and the best jobs that you can get is coding, because you can work basically from anywhere and you can get paid quite a nice salary. And of course, coding is always in demand, and we're going to show you in this Kickstarter how to code in Python, and we're going to teach complete beginners how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to show complete beginners how to code in Python, and eventually through a ton of different projects, we're going to show people how to make machine learning algorithms, and we're going to tie that in with stocks and cryptocurrency specifically. And that's the key part about this Kickstarter. We're not just going to show you how to make some random machine learning project. We're going to tie it to technical analysis, fundamental analysis, Twitter sentiment analysis, and more. And furthermore, we are going to show people how to apply these concepts to cryptocurrencies as well. So one of the things that's absolutely amazing about my company is that we show people how to make practical projects. It isn't just a theoretical lesson, but we want to make sure that people have something that they can tangibly do at the end of the day. So just like if you want to buy a Lego set, you can buy a Lego set and maybe in an hour or two have this amazing thing that you just built. We're doing the same thing with code. We're going to show complete beginners how to code, and eventually they're going to have a ton of different projects. So let's take a look at an example of one of the projects in this Kickstarter. So in this Kickstarter, it's going to read the tweets of Elon Musk, and it's going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency based on what he tweets. So if he tweets about Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, it doesn't matter what coin he's tweeting about, it will tell you to buy that cryptocurrency. And I think this is something that's really interesting, because not only can you apply it to Elon Musk's tweet about cryptocurrency, but you can apply it to other tweets about other items so that you can make as much money as you can. So for the people that really do make a lot of money, they do have some kind of active income, whether it's coding or starting a business or something like that. They do have something that they go to work every day for. It's very rare for someone to just sit on a beach and make a ton of money. This is so rare that it's practically impossible to achieve. So I've been running a business personally since I was 18 years old, and I can tell you with almost certainty that it's very rare, if not impossible, to achieve 100% passive income. It is possible though, but it's very, very, very rare. So again, if you want to get wealthy, you have to have an active job of some kind. And if you have that active job, then you can invest in assets. You can invest in real estate, you can invest in cryptocurrency, you can invest in stocks. And guess what? This Kickstarter is showing you not only how to code, but invest as well. So in this Kickstarter, we're having courses that teach you how to trade stocks, how to day trade stocks, how to trade cryptocurrencies, and how to trade options. So this Kickstarter is a bundle of courses. It isn't just one course, and it's on a discount right now. And once the Kickstarter ends, you won't be able to get it for this price. So please pledge today. So one of the things we do at my e-learning company, Mammoth Interactive, is that we figure out what people are doing to make money, and then again, we're gonna show people how to do that. And this bundle of courses that's available on Kickstarter is going to do that. So a lot of people are making money coding and making money in cryptos as well. In fact, I've made a lot of money in cryptocurrencies because I just invested 6-8 months ago. And these are investments that I've really enjoyed. So again, I've made quite a bit of money off of buying stocks, buying cryptocurrencies, starting a business, and learning to code. And that's why I'm telling you how to do that. I'm telling you all the mistakes that I've made over the years so you don't have to make them. So like I said, this bundle of courses is absolutely huge, and it's going to be on sale on Kickstarter until the Kickstarter ends, in which case you won't be able to buy it at this price ever again. It is probably the best course bundle you need in 2021 to succeed. Alright, so that concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, please pledge for the Kickstarter down below. It really does help us out when you pledge for the Kickstarters down below. The more money you get from the pledges that you pledge on Kickstarter down below, the more content we can make on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video!